All right, number 6. Now, they asked us to comment on the conclusion. And remember what I said to you here. They want to know about a conclusion. So I want you to ask yourself, when can conclusions be made? And as if we have an experiment, because remember, observational studies, we can't comment on a conclusion. So look at this problem closely and ask yourself, is it an experiment or is it an observational study? And if you look at it, you will notice that it's an observational study. There is no treatment. You get who you get. So it's definitely an observational study. And what can we conclude about observational studies? Nothing. Nothing. We can say there's a trend, there's an association, but we can't say there's a conclusion. So the answer is going to be no conclusion. Since this is an observational studies. Okay, now let's go here to number 7, and we're talking about college student spending. And a consumer group wants to know if a new education program will improve the spending habits of college students. Students in an economic class are randomly assigned to 3 different courses on spending habits. So my experimental units are college students. Okay, remember, I need my adjectives. How many factors are there? There's 1. Remember, it's a class on spending money. But how many treatments are there? There are 3. 3 different classes. Okay, so there's 3 different levels, okay? And what's the response variable is they want to see if they are improving their spending habits. Okay. Okay, and so here we want to know if Claritin was an over-the-counter medicine for allergy, if a different dosage would be more effective. Describe on how to conduct a double blinding. Well, remember, double blinding is when the participant and the evaluator does not know. So we'll say neither the subject, the participant, nor the administrator, know which dosage is given. Okay, now let's go to 9 here. It says, administrators at a local hospital are concerned about the possibility of drug abuse by people who work there. They decide to check out the extent of the problem by having a random sample of employees undergo a drug test. Several plans for choosing the sample are proposed. Name the sampling strategy in each. Okay, so there are 4 employees. Randomly select 10 people from each group, so that's some from all. So that's stratified. Each employee has a 4-digit number randomly choose. This is SRS. The start of each shift, every 10th person, this is systematic. And randomly select a department and test all. The word all there means that this is clustered. Okay, let me see here. I'm going to end this here, and then I'll start off with biases on the next video because we're getting up to 5 minutes.